This is the weekly market update. This is what happened here in the last week. This is 1 week. So I mean, I'm bringing you this information on a weekly basis, and I want you to understand this is not what happened, in the last months. This happened in 1 week. So this is exactly what's happening with the market right now. So you can see that LA County, we currently have 9,572 homes available. We have 4,611 in San Bernardino. We have 4,530 homes in Orange. And Riverside County, we have 7,019 homes. That's a lot of real estate. That's a lot of properties. That's a lot of homes. That's a lot of opportunity. That's how I want you to look at. So we increased in inventory in LA by 340 homes. San Bernardino, we actually decreased by 22 homes. Riverside County, we decreased by 11. And Orange County, we increased by 104. Pending, this is what's pending to close. This means that people are in escrow that are ready to close. So I added that. We have over 5,000 in LA County. We have over 2,600 in San Bernardino. We have 830 in Riverside and 1,817 in Orange. You can see that in 1 week, we also had 649 homes sold in LA, 306 in San Bernardino, 402 in Riverside, 330 in Orange County, and the volume in 1 week was 601 million in LA, 118 million in San Bernardino, 285 million in Orange County, and 179 million in Riverside. And you could see that LA County from last week to this week, it dropped by 100 million. So, I mean, last week we had over 700 million closed. And in San Bernardino, we pretty much stayed the same. It's just down by 5 million. Orange County, we had another 300 million sold last week. We dropped by 15 million. And Riverside took a massive increase. Last week, we only had 83 million closed. We closed 179 million in 1 week. So ask yourself this question: is there business? The answer is absolutely yes. So I won't want you to be in theory land, and I don't want you to be in thinking that there's no business out there, because there's absolutely business here. It doesn't matter if the market's going to shift. The market will do what it's going to do. The market will do what it's going to do. But what are you going to do? That's what I want you to stay focused on. You can look at these numbers, and you can see that if the market's going up or going down or in a quarantine, we're still doing business. Just in these 4 counties, we have over $1 billion in 1 week. So just get clear about that. I just want you to stay empowered and also inform your customers. Things are still moving. And the days on the market also are decreasing. That means that properties are selling. Interest rates are at historic lows. So if you have anybody out there that's on the fence about selling, they need to get the home on the market. And if they think about selling in the next 3 years, they got to sell today. And you need to pivot to the individuals that must buy and must sell. We're not in the market to check out the market or test out the market. Find people that want to buy, that must sell. Those are the only 2 people you need to focus on. And you need to orient your day around that. Last week, we had 356 homes expired. That's 145 less than last week. So we had less homes expired. It's a good sign. And foreclosures. This is something that I want you to take a look at. This number is one of the indicators that I take a look at on a weekly basis. And the reason why I do this is because this is going to help us predict when the market will start to pivot. So this is what happened in Riverside, San Bernardino, LA, and Orange County. So Riverside County in April, we had 2 homes that actually sold at auction. We had 18 homes in San Bernardino that sold at auction. We had 21 in LA that sold at auction. We had 7 in Orange County. Scheduled, that's the number that we got to look at. Scheduled, we have 279 for May, 214 in San Bernardino for May as well, 812 in Los Angeles, and 138. These are all scheduled to sell in May. And I have a gut intuition that these might be canceled because of the forbearances that are going on. But still, these are people that are in trouble. That's what we got to look at, right? And the foreclosure numbers are like people that are in pre-foreclosure that are not making their payments. That's pretty steady. All of those numbers have been pretty much the same. They've gone down about 10